welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious chocolate and rose date balls. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious chocolate and rose date balls. Valentine's Day is on the way, so I thought it might be nice to make a little sweet treat. Date balls make a delicious snack, but they also make a really nice gift for a relative or friend as well. I'm going to be making these today for myself. I love date balls and I love to keep some in the fridge. I normally have them after my lunch. These ones are really simple as well. I've only used 4 ingredients for these date balls and they are really tasty too. And while I was making them, I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious chocolate and rose date balls. For this recipe, I have about 150 grams of mature dates that I have removed the stones from, and I'm just going to put those into my food processor. And then I also have about 150 grams of almond butter as well that I'm just going to put in. And then I'm going to add some rose petals to this because obviously this is chocolate and rose. So I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of rose petals. Rose is a very floral taste, so if you don't like that sort of flavour, then I don't know if you'll like this, but I love it. To me it tastes like Turkish Delight. If you like Turkish Delight, then you're probably going to love these, I promise you. And then I'm also going to add about 4 tablespoons of raw cacao powder as well. And then I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to blend these ingredients together. And that is your date ball mixture. That's how easy it is to make these. It's literally less than 5 minutes, I promise you. So I'm just going to try and put this on now, and I'm going to blend these together. I've just been to dampen my hands, and now what I'm going to do, so I just ran them under the tap basically. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll a piece of the mixture. So the mixture has been blended together and it should look a bit like that at the end. And now what I'm going to do is I've just rolled a piece of the mixture and I'm just going to roll that in some more raw cacao powder, and I'm going to put these into a bowl. Again, you can give these as a gift if you want to. You could buy like a nice tin to put them in, or a nice box or something, or even a jar as well. I often use big old jars that we have, we've bought from the supermarket. I just use those as jars to give as gifts. So yeah, so I'm just going to continue to make the mixture into balls and then roll these balls in the raw cacao powder. I've finished making the date balls and now I'm just going to try one. I'm just going to try a little bit of this one. Yeah. Oh, they're really nice. That's yummy. Looking forward to having one of these this afternoon with a nice cup of tea. That's how you make my delicious chocolate and rose date balls, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be enjoying a couple of these with a cup of tea this afternoon and I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.